Mastering Nautical Expressions. Jibe the Sailboat. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're setting sail on an exciting journey to understand the phrase, jibe the sailboat. This nautical term is not just for sailors, it's a great example of how specific English phrases can enhance your language skills. So, let's navigate through the waves of English together. In the context of sailing, jibe, or gibe, refers to a maneuver where a sailboat turns its stern through the wind, causing the sail to shift from one side of the boat to the other. This term is often used metaphorically in everyday English to signify a change in direction or opinion. Understanding such specific verbs enriches your vocabulary and helps you grasp the subtleties of the language. Jibing is a skilled sailing maneuver that involves several steps. 1. Preparing the boat, ensuring that the boat and its crew are ready for the turn. 2. Turning the stern, steering the stern through the wind direction. 3. Shifting the sail, managing the sail as it moves across the boat. This section can be accompanied by a visual demonstration or an animation to make the concept clear. Apart from its nautical use, jibe is often used metaphorically. For example, her actions don't jibe with her words, implies a discrepancy between what someone says and does. This dual use of jibe showcases the versatility of English vocabulary and how specific terms can have broader applications in different contexts. It's easy to confuse jibe with tack, another sailing term. While jibe involves turning the stern through the wind, tack involves turning the bow. This section will highlight these differences to avoid common misconceptions. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic voyage. Remember, learning English is like sailing on an endless sea of knowledge. There's always something new to discover. We hope this video helps you navigate the English language more confidently. Fair winds and following seas in your language learning journey.